Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove your factory rear bumper off this 2017 Ford F-250. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we need to do is disconnect our negative battery terminal on each of our batteries, and that's just a safety precaution because we're going to be unplugging some electrical systems to take off our rear bumper. So we're just going to disconnect our negative line and then do that on both batteries. Next, we're going to unplug any harnesses that are attached to our bumper and to our truck. So the first one that we're going to do is our trailer plug harness right here. There should be a push tab right towards the bottom, and then you should be able to just pull that out. Now the next thing that we're going to look for is our license plate light harness, which is going to be this plug here. Again, that's just going to have a push tab to release. Feed that through any wires that it might be connected to, and just let that hang. Now our bumper does not have sensors. Now if yours does, you're going to have to unplug that harness as well. Now we are underneath the vehicle on the driver's side, and there is going to be two bolts that are going from our frame bracket to our bumper. It's going to be these two right here. We're going to need to remove these two, and then on the opposite side remove those two as well, and then our bumper can be pulled free from the truck. Now we can go ahead and repeat that on the opposite side. Just make sure you have a couple guys holding the bumper up for you so that it doesn't want to fall. Next, we're going to have a 13mm bolt on either side of our hitch. Once those are removed, we can remove the bumper from the truck. Now once you have your factory bumper off, we're going to take apart some of the components that you're going to want to switch over to whatever aftermarket bumper you're going for. So first we're going to take off our spare tire access. You're going to need your keys for that. You're just going to put that in the front, turn it, and pull it out. And just set that to the side. To get your trailer plug out, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Push in on your metal tabs on both sides, and that'll just pop out as well. And then the last thing is you need to take your wiring harness out. So we're going to grab just a little pry tool, remove any plastic clips that are holding it in. You're also going to want to unplug your license plate lights. And then just keep going along your frame of the bumper. And the same, once you get to the other side, make sure you unplug your light on the other side. Just like that. Next, we're going to take off our top frame bracket, and that's going to be two 24mm bolts at the top. You're probably going to have to use a breaker bar on these bolts. They are pretty tight. But once you get those broke loose, you should be able to pull them out pretty easily. And repeat that on the opposite side. All right guys, that completes the removal. Now if you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.